Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Advanced Multi-Agent Systems, Cooperation and Competition. Imagine you're building a huge project. Instead of one giant program trying to do everything, what if you could have many smaller, smarter programs, each with its own job, working together or even competing? That's the core idea behind multi-agent systems. MOS. Think of it like a sports team or a bustling city where many individuals, agents, interact to achieve a larger goal, sometimes helping each other, sometimes trying to be the best as a developer. This is about breaking down complex problems into manageable, interactive pieces of code. In AI, an agent isn't a secret spy. It's just a program or piece of code that can perceive its environment, take in information, think, process that info and make decisions. And act, perform an action. For a developer, you're essentially writing a function or a class that has these abilities. Imagine a simple thermostat agent. It senses the temperature, perceives, decides if it's too hot or cold, thinks, and turns the AC or heater on, off. Acts. We're talking about giving your code a bit of independence. Cooperation in MOS means your smart programs, agents, work together towards a common goal. Think of a group of construction robots. One digs the foundation, another lays bricks, a third installs windows, all contributing to building a house. As a developer, you'd design communication channels, like APIs or message queues, and shared objectives so your agents can talk to each other, share data, and coordinate their actions smoothly. This is about orchestrating multiple pieces of code to achieve something bigger than any single piece could do alone. On the flip side, competition in MOS means agents are trying to achieve their individual goals, which might put them in a rivalry with other agents. Think of players in a video game. Each player is an agent, or companies competing in a market. They're all trying to win or maximize their own profit. As a developer, you'd design rules, reward systems, and strategies for each agent, allowing them to make independent decisions that might benefit them, even if it means outperforming or outsmarting other agents. This is about creating dynamic, challenging environments where your code learns to adapt. Many real-world scenarios aren't purely cooperative or competitive. They're a mix. Think of a sports team. Players cooperate to score goals, but they also compete for individual recognition or a starting spot. In MOS, your agents might cooperate on some tasks, like sharing resources, but compete on others, like trying to secure the best route. As a developer, the challenge is designing sophisticated agent behaviors and interaction protocols that allow for this complex interplay, leading to more realistic and robust AI systems. Multi-agent systems are everywhere. For example, in traffic management, individual car agents, or traffic light agents, try to get to their destination fastest while also cooperating to avoid jams in gaming AI. Opponent agents in a strategy game cooperate as a team against you, while individual units might compete for resources. In smart homes, different devices, lights, thermostat, security, act as agents, cooperating to optimize comfort and energy. As a developer, understanding this opens doors to building incredibly complex and intelligent applications. As a developer, how do you actually build these systems? You'd be working with programming languages. Python is great for AI for defining agent logic. Communication protocols, ways for agents to talk like HTTP APIs or message queues. Decision logic, simple if-then rules, or more advanced machine learning models to help agents think. And simulation environments, Tools to test how your agents behave and interact before deploying them. This is about crafting independent, intelligent units of code and then designing the playground where they interact. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.